welcome back to my channel. We have another box opening of the death pile. So we are going to jump right on in today. All right, let's do it. Okay, so the first thing I have is a pair of boots. They're the universal thread, so Target. They're a size 9. And let's see what I paid for these guys. $4.32. So definitely would get those again. The whole point of these videos is to kind of go through this death pile and see what is in it. If I would still buy it. And if I would still buy it at the price I bought it at, if it was a good deal. So yes, I think those are a good deal. They look brand new. They have a little bit of scuffing, or not scuffing, but like dirt on it. So we'll clean them up and get them listed. These are brand new Calvin Klein little Ballet Flats. And these we bought for $5. So yes, I would buy these again. And then we have some Lucky Brand. Ooh, throwing things. Also $5, brand new little loafers. These are a size 6.5. Super cute. Let's put this guy back in there. Okay, and then I have some bags. And we've got, what is this? A Grey's Anatomy nurse's jacket, size large. Let's see what we bought it for. $1, good deal. I would still buy that. This one was also $1. Let's see. A Rafaela size 12 blazer. Do we have all of our buttons? Yes. For $1, also would pick up. A simple black blazer for $1 you can't go wrong with. Let's see. This one. Throw that on the floor. I don't know how to say this one. This one looks like a men's. The other one was a women's. I'm not good at pronouncing. I butcher labels all the time. But this is a men's, size 12. And this has to be a woman's. Yeah, I think this is a woman's. It's got sparkles in it. And the way the sleeves are, that has to be a woman's size. Did I say what I got this one for? Hoping it's $1. $1. I think max I would spend $2 on that. Just because I don't know that brand and I don't. This one's also $1. Let's see. It's always interesting to find the top. This is Preston & York, size 14. Women's blazer. It's a navy with some pockets. And I said that one was $1 too, I believe. So, can't go wrong with $1. $1 investment is a great investment. Okay. And I'm not doing my inventory like this again. If you watch my other videos, you'll know that this was kind of from the way I did my clothing before, but I don't do it anymore. This is Alex Marie Size 14, made in Vietnam. I almost dropped it. Another blazer. This one's like a black pinstriping. If you guys can see the texture. And then it's got a really cool button on it. It's got some shimmer to the button. And it was $1. This one was also $1. I wonder if this whole box is blazers. This is a Forever 21 size medium, just a plain black blazer. It looks like it's cinched in the back to kind of pull that waistline in, and then it flares out again at the bottom. All right, looks like we have 3 more items in this one. This box we went through pretty quick. This is also $1. Okay, this is a little bit more interesting. Let's see. It's got some studs on it. It looks vintage just by the way it shimmers and the tag. I don't know if it will focus, camera. And it's a weird material. Has belt loops back here. It says dry clean only. And it's got the zipper accent in the front. Kind of looks like a moto jacket, but like a fake, not the best quality, and I can't seem to find what it's made out of, but like just holding it up to the Christmas tree, I can see the Christmas tree lights through it. And it has shoulder pads in it, but it says dry clean only, so does that mean that it's good or not good? I don't know. It feels like slippery, but it's not like a silk. I don't know. Leave a comment if you guys have heard of that brand. Let me see if I can even pronounce it. I'll butcher it for us. Let's see. Sandra Saladido? You know, I'll have to research that one and do some digging. Okay. Moving on to this guy. Oh. Ooh, this is like a little vest. Chaps. Size small. Little Christmassy vest. Get that listed right away. How much did we spend? $1. Yes, I would. I would still do so. Normally, clothing, if it's just hit or miss clothing, I like to stay under like $3. If I know it's a good brand, a good style, things like that, I'm willing to pay up to $6 for it. But I can't beat $1. $1 investment into a piece of clothing is perfect. Apartment 9. So Apartment 9 does not really do so well. However, it's a simple gray with a cute, like, the sleeve rolls up, and I like it. I'll probably leave the sleeves rolled up to give it a little bit extra of an oomph of, like, making it different. It's got real pockets, so that's good. All of the buttons, it only has the one button. And then it's kind of got that fitted back again, where it pulls in right about here, and then, so it's tight, pulls in, or I'm sorry, loose, pulls in and makes it tighter, and then flares back out, which I think is a really good style. And because it's more of a simple, and it's something that somebody can use in like a capsule wardrobe, I probably would. It's a size 8, and it was only $1, so I would. This Apartment 9 though can sell as low as $8. I didn't see any like damage to it. So hopefully I can list this one for maybe like 13 and get like an offer for 8, hopefully. Or maybe even list it for like $16.99 and take like a $13 offer. We'll see how it goes. But not bad overall. That box is pretty good. And throughout the Christmas season, because I'm trying not to thrift the whole month of December, I want to kind of save that money, all the money that we've invested this year in our inventory, go through it, get through this death pile, unboxing things that I haven't seen in 2 years. I mean, I don't even remember half the stuff I have. And with Christmas here and presents going under the tree and not wanting to spend more money in new merchandise when I have plenty of it, I'll have to have Justin go over the storage unit tomorrow while I'm at work and take a picture, because there's a lot still in the storage unit, and we share it with his family. So if I can get my stuff out of there, it would be beneficial. So we're working on it. Slowly but surely, I'm chipping away at the death pile. Opening these boxes as I need new inventory is really helpful. It gives you guys perspective of where I was 2 years ago with my mindset of reselling versus today. Would I still buy it? Even though this apartment 9 was only $1, I could have left it. Honestly, by the time I list it and ship it and do all the time that it takes to keep moving it around, I'm wasting time, and that's wasting money, and it doesn't have a huge profit return on it. So I could have left it at the store. Honestly, a lot of these I probably could have. My mindset though is it's $1, and why not make $5 off of it? This isn't my full-time job, it's my part-time job. It's something I use the money to fund into something else. Like right now we're paying off our trailer, we're buying Christmas presents, all of that from this money, and that's what we're using it for right now. Like, it's not something that I need to get by, but it's something I enjoy doing, and I've created a business out of it because it wasn't just a hobby. It was kind of taking over more than just what a hobby would. And I love doing it. It makes me happy. It makes us extra money to get other things and get further. We invest a lot of it. So, I mean, it really does help us create a life for our family that we wouldn't be able to do otherwise. So that's kind of where we're at, what we're doing. And that's it. So I will leave you guys here. I will see you next week. And hopefully we'll be opening another box because all this will be listed. All right, guys. I will see you later. Have a good night. Bye.